Hi guys. Well, today is the day. I'm just waiting on the MK presser, and of course they are running late. As you would know, they always run late. You probably wondering, "Ukuthi Zizi, why are you dressed up?" I'm dressed up because I want to look good when I make the video for Floyd, being removed as the SG. And the first video I'm going to be making is on YouTube. So I thought, you know what, let me just give you guys a little treat. Anyway, this is a caution to the MK members. Please do block me because I am definitely going to be pushing content today. If you feel uncomfortable, if you feel sad that maybe they remove Floyd, please do yourself a favor and block me because I am going to post. If it means I must post 20 videos, I'm going to post 20 videos. So I think let me caution you, and so that we can avoid you swearing at me and wara wara. I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. Sham, I did not dress up for Floyd. I've got a meeting at 4. So I don't know. I'm contemplating. I don't know if I should come live. We watch the MK pressing together, or if I should just watch by myself because they're running late and I don't know what to do. Because at 4 I'm gonna have a meeting, so I don't know what I should do. Let's see what time they start. Whoo! Bethuzana ziyakhala, but this is a life lesson, you know. This is a life lesson. It teaches, it shows us that life is not always greener elsewhere. You know, sometimes you just have to nurture where you are. Don't be greedy. Don't be running after easy wins. You know, work a little bit hard where you are and try to win. You know, don't chase after easy wins. Stay true to yourself. Stay true to your cause. You know, Floyd ran, chased after MK members, and now they didn't appreciate him. I mean, one thing about Floyd that he can't deny is that in the EFF, he was so respected, so respected. And it's so sad and so low that it's unfortunate that in the MK they've treated him like this. And I see the fighters are celebrating on Twitter. It was so I celebrate and I feel one thing about me, I've got a soft heart, né? Like I want him to go and stuff, but I feel so sad for him. You know, I feel so sad. I mean, it's only been 8 months for him in the MK. But anyway, I will share my 2 cents after the breaking news. For now, comment in the comment section. Tell me if you think I should come live for this presser or I should just watch by myself because, yeah, I'm actually quite busy today.